Let's see where they are used. First of all, it provides simplification and shortness in program to use a condition by accessing to a memory bit instead of writing it over and over. If you have a repeating condition in your system, instead of writing it over and over and wasting your time, you can write a marker space and store it there. Here we have an example. Let's say these are the starters of first, second, and third engines. Let's say they have different functions. For instance, this opens the door, or let's say both are pressed and they start an engine. This demonstration can be used in the program many times. Let's say if these are 1, it will be 1, 2. If these are 0, it's 0, 2. These expressions can be used many times. So instead of these 3 expressions, you can just directly use M0.0 in the program, because when any of these is closed, the merker will be operated. In the cases where I0.0, I0.1 or I0.2 is used, you can just use M0.0 instead, and this way you will avoid the sort of mess, complexity, and have a minimal program, simplified program. Or instead of this, in program you can use M0.1. Let's imagine there are 50 operations and results of these operations are transferred to Merkle space. Instead of writing those operations again and again, you can use whatever address you assign. In this way, we have a simplified program. The second, there are many possibilities that can affect any output inside of the program.